Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following my videos for the last few days, we've been curating Valentine's Day gifts with this I Heart You box. And today we are going to do the last curation. First we did florals, then we did charcuterie. Now for our final gift box creation, we are going to do beauty charcuterie. Beauty cooterie? And we'll be using all items from Ulta. So let's get started. So let me show you what I got. Now the box is smaller, so I don't think I'm going to be able to use everything that I got, but I rather have bought more than I needed so that I didn't have to go back to the store. So let me show you everything that we got. This is already out the bag. We got a beauty blender. I also got this Sol de Janeiro kit. This is the number 68. And I got a Better Than Sex mascara. You see the theme? We're giving pink. Pretty in pink. I also got Good Molecules. Also, side note, all of these things that I got, for the most part, I have tried and I love. So I'm just not buying anything. I got Good Molecules hyaluronic acid serum, and I have tried this. I was actually gifted this from Good Molecules about 2 years ago, and I love this so much. So I bought this. Had to get some perfume, so I got the Prada minis. Okay. We also got Touchland Berry Bliss. I love Touchland hand sanitizer. It's so luxe. I love putting it in my purse. Don't have to have like anything rolling around. It just slides right in my purse. I love this so much. And it also stands up. I love just sitting it on the table too. I also got this Bioma. I have used Bioma products. I used their toner. I haven't used this moisturizing gel cream, but I got that. And then I got this Morphe drip glass. I got this because it was pink. And I did get one more thing. I got this facial spray because it was pink. So let's get started. We're going to see what actually fits. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use everything I already know, but let's see what we get to fit in here. Okay, so we're starting with shredded paper, and we're just going to push this down into the different shapes in the box. Okay, so we have our shredded paper in there, and then I think I'm going to start with the Sol de Janeiro. So we're going to go ahead and put those in there. This set is so nice. It's the perfect travel set. It comes with the perfume mist. It comes with the body cream. And then it also comes with the body wash. It's so perfect to travel with. I love traveling with this. So we're going to put the body spray in the eye. And then we're going to put the body wash in the heart. And then we're going to put the elastic cream in the heart as well. And let's move on. So I really want to use the Good Molecules. So we're going to do that next. I already know the Touchland isn't going to fit, so we're going to have to do a little bag on the side or something. That's not going to fit. And this is not going to fit. But that's okay. That's okay. We're going to put the Good Molecules in the U. Okay, next, I think what I want to do, I think I want to do a gloss. So we're going to put a gloss in there. And hopefully, how pretty is that? That is so pretty. Let's put the gloss in the other side of the U. And then we're going to put, what else can we fit in here? The Beauty Blender, we are going to take that out. And I'm going to put the Beauty Blender right in between the elastic cream and the body wash. Cool. Okay, so now we're going to put some mascara. I love this mascara by Too Faced. Better Than Sex mascara. Let's take a look at the wand really quick. Look at that wand. I don't even wear mascara too much anymore, but this is always a go-to. So I'm gonna try and fit this next to the Morphe drip glass. So let's try and fit that in. Okay, so I don't have a lot of space left. So I know I can't use some things, but what I do want to use is perfume, because perfume and Valentine's Day just go together. So I'm going to try and fit this product in there. This smells so good. I had the trial. Oh my goodness. I had the little trial tester travel spray thing. I had to get this. This is so good. Okay, I'm gonna try and fit this here by our okay, I'm gonna try and fit it by our cream, and then I'm gonna try and fit it in the middle of the U. So let's see if we can get that in there. Okay, so we got it by the cream, and then we're gonna try and fit it by the U. Ah, yay! It's so pretty. How cute is that? It's such a quick and easy gift, but it looks so intentional. It looks so intentional. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different products in this small $5 box. How beautiful is that? It's so pretty. And this is what we call a beauty cooterie. Does that sound right? Beauty cooterie? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If this inspired you, please be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let me know if this is something you plan on trying in the future. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.